Drones are ideal to fly into inaccessible or dangerous areas to assess and mitigate environmental disasters. They can rapidly acquire objective information that can be used to determine how best to deal with environmental threats. In a marine environment, the monitoring of nearshore shipwrecks offers a good example of how drones can be used to assess damage of the vessel and its cargo, as well as monitoring oil spills. Comparative survey data is traditionally used to assess the type and extent of environmental damage. Drones can provide data on demand, reducing reliance on inappropriately dated satellite imagery. Orthomosaic 2D mapping technology can provide imagery that can be imported into GIS systems such as arcGIS, and be used to accurately measure distances and areas. This useful capability can, for example, be used to track marine pollution and wildfires. For more information on environmental applications for drones, please contact us.